are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Wayne Auto kit. Of course we have the dirty can. No. For what cause? For what reason?
Your pants.
And you were speeding down the highway. I just need your license registration and you can be on your way.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll watch it.
So how's your day going, sir?
Good. You?
Pretty good. I'm a cop.
Sir, you have over 17 speeding tickets and you're also wanted in 3 countries.